Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your credit card or your debit card when it fails to go through on your Xbox One. Now the first thing we want to do is go to where it says store right here, and if we're trying to buy something, instead of just going to where it says buy, we want to add it to our specific card. So let's choose a game right here, Castle Crashers. Now let's select the game. Instead of going to where it says buy, let's go on over to add to cart and select this. Then go to view cart under here, and then try purchasing it under this section instead of just instantly going to buy. So then go to checkout. Now if you are having problems still, another thing that we can try is changing the location on our account. So let's press the home button, then tab on over to settings right here, then go on down to where it says system, go to the right and go to language and location. Then go to location in the United States. Now if you're trying to buy something under here and your country simply just doesn't show up because there's not a whole lot, you're probably going to have to choose a location. Like if I chose the United States, I'm going to have to enter in a valid zip code and city that matches this location. So if you live in like Zimbabwe or something that doesn't show up under here, you can try changing your location so your payment method goes through. And make sure you restart your Xbox. Now sometimes you might actually run into an error, and simply clearing the cache by turning off your Xbox and unplugging it from the wall of it probably will help. So just try turning it off and then turning it back on. Now another thing that we can try is going up to account and then go to the right. Let's go to payment and billing and type in your PIN if you got one. Now under here we can go to payment methods. Now I don't have anything in here, but sometimes if you have too many credit cards in this section, even if you have like 2 or 3, just try deleting some credit cards and then re-add it. Now another thing you have to pay attention to is the CVV code on the back of your credit card. Maybe this is incorrect, or maybe even the expiration date. So you got month and year. Make sure these are all correct and go to next. So the CVV code will be on the back and it's going to list the code. It's only 3 digits long. And make sure everything is correct and enter in the correct address. Maybe your address is wrong and that's why it's not going through as well. So just try deleting all your credit cards and then just re-add them. And make sure your location is correct on your Xbox and it matches up with your address that you're typing in. Now for some reason your credit card doesn't go through, well, if you have your credit card hooked up to PayPal or Venmo, just simply add your Venmo or your PayPal account. So I use Venmo quite often. My credit card and my bank account are linked down there. I just simply add my Venmo account and then I can bypass entering a credit card on my Xbox. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.